ladies, Shelli, Pelly, and Parker Confidential. Okay, something a little different today. We're in my home gym in Solana Beach, California, which a lot of you know I have never really been a home gym person. We've always just had gym memberships. But the second with the pandemic hit and we had a feeling that gyms were going to close, we were online ordering so fast. Like seriously, I've never ordered anything that fast, maybe other than the Nordstrom sale. But at any rate, let me give you a quick overview of what we did. Some of the stuff you're not gonna want because it's kind of big and bulky, but I had to accommodate a 6'3" husband who's also a gym rat. But I'll give you a basic overview of I think what we women like and need for a home gym. All right, let me show you what we did. I put everything that I'm gonna show you links down below so that you can at least look at it at your leisure in case you want to get some of them. And let's get started. Let me show you what we did.
Okay, ladies, let me first give you a bird's eye view of the garage, like the overall space, before I show you how we set up the home gym. So this is our garage. That's where the magic happens. That's where I film, right back there. That's where I film all my workouts for you. And you can see we have a little stretch area on the side too. Okay, so yes, admittedly it's a big garage, but I'm gonna show you the space that we carved out for the home gym. It's 13 feet by 10 feet, not counting that stretching area. And let me show you what I did for the basics for a home gym. Okay, so here we go.
Okay, ladies, this space probably looks familiar to you if you follow me in my workouts. This is the little spot that we carved out. This is 13 feet wide by 10 feet deep. The first thing that we did and that you're going to need in your area are some mats, right? So we just got these gorilla mats on Amazon. They're super gushy, they're super cushy, and you're gonna want them for, it's just easier on your joints. So if you're doing a lot of jumping, like I know we sometimes do in my workouts, jumping, and they're great for stretching, and it just feels better. It feels more like a gym. All right, so that is the first thing that you're going to need, mats. All right. Okay, the second thing that we ladies are going to want are our weights. And the basics are a light, a medium, and a heavy set of weights. Now, we have this weight rack just because we had to accommodate Oliver, and I do like doing heavier weights as well. But I'm gonna put a link below for a weight tree that I also have. Oliver just hasn't assembled it yet, and I'm not very handy, if I'm being truthful. But it is vertical, and so it's very space efficient. So a light, a medium, and a heavy set of weights, okay? The third thing that you're going to need, number 3, are 2 yoga blocks. I like having 2 because sometimes I like to put them under my hamstrings and my neck, but 2 yoga blocks, they're really inexpensive, very space efficient, so 2 yoga blocks, all right? The third thing that you're going to want, maybe it's the fourth, you want a step or a riser. Now these are great when we do Bulgarian squats, or maybe we want to do inverted push-ups on them. The Bulgarian squats are, these things that we do. Sorry, I know I'm out of frame. So a step is a great thing to have, and that's also easy to put away. The other thing that you're going to want is a medicine ball or 2. Now I have a few of them because I like to switch off depending on what I'm doing. Sometimes I need a lighter medicine ball, and sometimes I want a heavier one. So a medicine ball is another good thing to have. All right, so far we have a cushiony gorilla mat. We have our light, medium, and heavy set of weights with the weight tree. We have a couple yoga blocks, a stair, a medicine ball. And then the next thing that you're going to want is, okay ladies, this is kind of my little nod to glam in the gym. I love having this, and it's just a really inexpensive way to sort of pamper yourself. So I set up little spa towels, little hand towels that I just got on Amazon in these little organizers, and I'll put the links for everything below. So I put hand towels there, and I always have bottled water. And I put a little thing of yoga mats in here as well. So they're just kind of nice and handy, right, for you when you're ready to have them. And it just kind of feels like it feels a little more like you're at a spa than a gym. And sometimes we ladies like that. All right, so we have that. And then the last thing that, that I like, maybe you won't, is this. Okay, something else that you might want to think about. I got 2 dry erase boards because I always felt like I was losing count of my reps, or maybe I wanted to write down something that I wanted to do, a workout. But the point is this, you want to get a good effective workout, you've got to be focused and you want to know what you're doing, right? So maybe that's why you follow me, because it's kind of just easy to follow somebody. And so what I do is these are all the workouts that I do with you, and I do them myself too, and then I just share them with you. And I just stick them up here, and it helps to keep me focused, right? So you'll see I have weighted Heisman's, deadlift, donkey kicks. It helps to keep me super focused, and it's just a good thing to have. So I just like having a dry erase board. And the other thing is I have a timer. So a lot of times if I'm working out with you, you'll see me looking in the corner because I'm looking to keep time for us. So that's kind of a great thing to have too. If you have the space, and we did this also, let me swing the camera around. I know this is kind of a little different. All right. Swing. Okay. All right. Hi. Okay. So obviously we got 2 mirrors. You can get them, I believe you can get them on Amazon, but we have a person that does some work for us around the house, and we ordered them through him and had him set them up so that they were earthquake proof. And okay, ladies, so those are the basics for us ladies for home gym. And I will put links to everything that I went over down below in the video description. Now, if there's anything that I didn't cover, if there's anything that you'd like to know more about, please just ask me. You can comment below or you can message me. I always read what you say, and I do this because I love sharing and I want it to be valuable to you. So please ask me any questions that you want. All right. For everything health, wellness, fitness, beauty, style, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.